This Ikea air quality monitor is a good as indicator of PM particles like smoke, air pollution from outside or air pollution while cooking. When there is a traffic on the street and I open a window, I can see the PM numbers rise. But in my apartment, the numbers never rose more than 10 pm when the windows was open. The maximum was hit only when using smoking candles or while cooking. These activities cause bad air quality only for a couple of seconds, as you could have seen in the videos before. Do you really need an air quality monitor? It depends on the place where you live. I live in Brno in an old apartment near a road, and still my air quality is shown as excellent. My recommendation is not to buy this air quality monitor when you live in the same conditions, because your air quality will hover around the same level. It's different when you live in big cities with bad air pollution. The air quality monitor just reminds me to open windows and turn on kitchen hood on maximum speed when I'm cooking. When you want proper air quality monitoring, invest in more advanced monitors with CO2 sensors. These are a little bit pricey.